Hello guys, Alberto here, hope you are doing great. Today as of February 2024. Here's my opinion for the worthy gear I would recommend you if you are just starting in photography on a budget. These suggestions are of great quality and render excellent results in photography, and are capable enough for video creation without breaking the bank. For those who don't know me or are just new to the channel, welcome. My equipment preference is I'm a Fujifilm guy since 2014. Therefore here are different options from the brand and from Sony. Any of them are a wise pick, and exploiting their fullest capabilities can help you cover any niche you might be interested in. I'm including just a few lenses since you are starting on a budget, right? Having any of this camera bodies paired with the mentioned lenses will be sufficient for your journey's start. Actually, I still use some of this gear myself and have no needs to replace it so far. We'll cover Fujifilm's Xe1, Xe2, Xt1, Xt2, X Pro 1, X Pro 2, Xt3 and Fujinon 18 to 55mm f2.8 for lens, which is equivalent to a 27 to 85mm in full frame. Meaning you have a short zoom lens you can use to cover a wide variety of assignments such as portraits, weddings, group shots, family shots, travel photos, landscape, product photography, street photography, etc. A 18mm wide angle of view has little distortion and is very useful. Then you have a normal field of view and a short telephoto of 55 equivalent to an 80mm in full frame. Ideal for close-ups and portraits. And actually is known as one of the best compact zoom lenses available in the market. Yes, you hear it right. It has image stabilization, it's weather sealed, and its optics really are amazing. The price is even greater. Any of this bodies paired with it is a great option, and you'll have a very capable setup to start with the right foot, even under $600. As you can see in this video, where you'll get a ton of value as always. I did the research for you just to prove you can start your photography journey with less than $1,000 and obtain top results on your work. We'll go over Sony A6000 and A6400 and equivalent lenses to the Fuji 16 to 50mm. These Sonys are great as well and will certainly surprise anyone with the results they provide. They are very good at video as well, and loads of bloggers to use them paired with an external microphone. And very much only that. There are a ton of reviews here in YouTube, as some of these bodies were launched 10 years ago. Even though we're among 16 to 24 megapixels of resolution in any of them, so you have plenty of file size to work with, and extremely good quality on any of the pics I'm recommending here. Here's some image samples from online reviews. You can pause the video and check out these reviews one at a time if you like, and come back to watch, or simply take notes to do your survey afterwards. Either way, they are very capable cameras, which is the important part. Feel free to check my other videos, my social media, or my website, where you can see samples of my Fujis. You can find the links below inside my channel. And by the way, stay tuned, I'll be giving away a free photography basics ebook I just finished writing to all my subscribers. Just type in the comment section I've subscribed and would like the ebook, and we'll go from there. Back to the video. I love Fujifilm feel, and most precious features to me are the film simulation modes. Being an old film shooter, I just love them. And actually, since I shot Fujifilm for years, well, it's just my thing. Plus I tend to not edit most of my work and really believe the JPEGs have a very special look to them. I found older sensors present in this recommendations do have a very film look to them compared with newer sensors. As for the Sony files, they do have a special look to them, and the quality in any case is superb. If you wish to shoot raw, you just can't go wrong with any of these pics, and go into your software to edit at will. Any of these pics produce great black and white images as well. Fuji's dedicated black and white modes are just mind-blowing right from the camera. A very important fact is that we can tweak the settings on camera for a special look, contrast, tone, etc. Is up to you to play around and fine-tune them to your liking. Thus far you may have seen reviews about it or comparisons between Fuji and top-notch cameras as Leica or Hasselblad among others. They do pack a punch, and just for a fraction of the other brands' prices. That is a small fraction, by the way. Here's some captures from used gear at eBay USA, so you can state the actual prices for gear in optimal working conditions. And nowadays you can purchase them from anywhere in the world and have them shipped to your door. Even having eBay's warranty of correct functionality, so you can buy with comfort and feel at ease with your bought items. Don't mean to go too deep into this, but be certain any of this picks is well worth it and proven to be excellent choices for a decade now. So you can't go wrong. They do vary a bit on the price, so pick the one fitting your budget and shoot at will. Your homework for today is deciding which one you like the most and what can you get with your budget. Please note that X Pro 1 and X Pro 2 from Fujifilm wear the brand's flags and are considered new classics. So if you go for one of those, well, you are at the top of the chain in that type of retro rangefinder handsome looking sturdy cameras. So as XT1 or XT2. There's people who own them and rarely use them until they just decide to sell them. Or simply very careful owners like me who like to take care of our working tools. Or perhaps rich guys changing gear to follow the trend. Either way, there's plenty to choose from. I use an XE2, X Pro 1, X Pro 2 and a Sony a6000 I got 10 years ago, and love them all. Hope you find this information useful. And if so, please like, share and subscribe. It's free and really helps in growing my channel. There is a growing amount of videos free to watch, and that will surely help in your creative journey. Feel free to ask questions or post comments. It helps me to know what kind of videos you might be interested to watch. Best to you all. Thank you very much for subscribing. We're growing the community and it really makes me proud. See you in the next one. Happy shooting!